Yeah.
Hi sports fans, Too Tall Dean here. We got something new to play with today. It's the Chinese bullpup, the QBZ97A. The 97 is the export version of the 95 Chinese military rifle. The 97A is the semi-auto only version. So we're using the 97A. So it's all new to me. The rifle has been fired before, but not by me, so I'm going to do 5 slow fire rounds to see how the trigger figures, and then we'll warm it up a bit more after that. Give me a moment here.
Excellent.
Blair, what were you saying about sinking the bag?
On the bend.
Ease the bolt on the first round, make sure it chambers.
Ease it or slam it?
Ease it. Make sure that first round chambers.
Okay. There you go. Good. Any safety on this thing?
No.
This year?
Yeah.
How they are 180.
Awesome.
I got like the best time.
Yeah, I like five rounds or something. Not my gun. Literally mess it up.
Oh, really? Oh.
10%.
A little more difficult, especially
Oh, yeah.
Has a long trigger pull, but a very nice one. Quite a long trigger pull, but it's not squeaky or grindy or anything like that. That's a problem with some of the bullpups, is that because your trigger is up here and your linkage mechanism is back here, sometimes it, poor triggers. Star August has a terrible trigger. This is quite nice. So I'm going to fire 5 more quickly. I like it. Recommend it.